watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Welcome to this gallery of imaginative DIY winter decor ideas in the farmhouse style. This winter, discover easy-to-do ideas that can bring rustic elegance and warmth to your house. These suggestions are meant to bring the warm, inviting charm of farmhouse-style decor into your rooms. Now let's explore these easy DIY farmhouse-inspired winter decor ideas. Easy snowflake wall hanging. Create a beautiful snowflake wall hanging to subtly bring the joy of the winter indoors. Blanket pillow. To add a warm and inviting touch to your decor, turn a soft blanket into a gorgeous pillow. Repurpose old sweaters to create warm and inviting vase covers that will bring texture and coziness into your home. Simple do-it-yourself crochet jar covers. Add a homemade and rustic touch to your winter decor by crocheting jar covers. Create a mesmerizing winter scene inside a clutch to create a DIY winter scene cloche centerpiece. Pipe cleaners may be used to create lovely snowballs that add a quirky touch to winter crafts. Pom-pom garland. Create a joyful garland out of pom-poms to hang around your house to provide a fun and inviting touch. Winter tree wall hanging. To add a little bit of woodland splendor, make a lovely wall hanging with winter trees. Create wintertime themed curled paper snowflakes to decorate your walls and bring the enchantment of snowfall inside. Create a snowflake sign in the style of the past to infuse your decor with a touch of nostalgia. Snowflake bunting. For a whimsical and joyful look, make a bunting with detailed snowflake designs. Tiny winter hat arrangement. Make a DIY garland out of little winter hats to add some fun to your decor. Create a snowflake garland with a variety of materials to make a charming winter accent. Make beautiful snowflakes for your windows or walls by gluing paper doilies together. repurposed ooey jars may be turned into adorable snowflake votive holders. Winter luminaries. Snowy pine cones candle jars. To lend a warm glow to your area, make luminaries out of snowy pine cones and jars. Mason jar lights. Create a charming and rustic atmosphere by crafting mason jar lights with snowflake designs. Make candles with a cinnamon scent to fill your house with a cozy, welcoming aroma. Tea light log. To create a rustic centerpiece with a cozy glow, craft a beautiful log and fill it with tea lights. Paper bag stars. Create stars for your winter decor using paper bags to provide a simple yet stylish touch. Mason jar vases with snowflake designs. Make beautiful vases for candles or seasonal flowers by decorating mason jars with snowflake patterns. Create coasters with a snowflake theme to protect surfaces and give your tables a charming winter aesthetic. Boho winter basket art. For a warm and creative farmhouse feel, create boho-inspired artwork with winter-themed pieces in a basket. Planked wood sign with snowflakes reminiscent of a farmhouse. Create a sign with snowflakes that serves as a winter accent. Snowflakes in a frame. As tasteful wall decor, frame little snowflakes to highlight their complex beauty. Cozy elegance meets rustic appeal in these do-it-yourself winter decor designs inspired by country living. Which of these suggestions are you going to implement in your house this winter? Create these charming accessories to bring warmth and character into your living areas and embrace the spirit of the season.